Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone and launching the app screen. Make sure your device is unlocked and your Samsung account is signed in so settings stick. Then swipe up or tap apps to reach the full list. Once there, press and hold any empty space on the home screen or long press an app icon. That opens edit mode, which lets you move icons and add widgets. Do this now, because these first taps create the canvas you'll use for placing apps where you want them. Once in edit mode, you add apps by dragging them from the app screen onto a chosen home panel. You can press and hold an icon, then drag to the edge to move it to another panel. This gives you spatial organization. To reduce clutter, drop one app onto another to create a folder, and then type a clear name so you can find things fast. Make sure to use the plus button to add panels if you need more space, and arrange icons logically for quick access. To finish, confirm your layout by tapping Done or pressing Home. This saves positions and exits edit mode so your changes persist. If you want tighter spacing, go to Settings, Home Screen, and change the home screen grid to fit more icons per page. This optimizes reachability. If an app does not appear, check the app drawer and ensure the app is not disabled in Settings apps. If issues remain, restart the phone. Often a quick reboot resolves display glitches immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.